Hello everyone, welcome back to Wild Legacy. What if I told you that the air inside your living room is actually more polluted than the air outside? Scientists have proven this shocking fact, and the solution is sitting right in front of you. Indoor plants are not just decorative pieces. They are literal air-purifying machines that can transform your home's atmosphere and boost your mood instantly. In this video, I am revealing 14 stunning indoor plants that will completely change your living room and your life. These plants range from zero-maintenance options for lazy plant parents to show-stopping statement pieces that will make your guests ask where you got them. Stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which plants deserve a spot in your home. Let's go. Plant number 1, Pothos. Let us start with Pothos, the plant that literally cannot die. This plant has saved the reputations of countless plant killers because it thrives on neglect. It features cascading heart-shaped leaves perfect for shelves and hanging baskets. Pothos tolerates low light better than almost any other plant and can go weeks without water. The shocking part: scientists have proven that Pothos removes formaldehyde from your air while you sleep. If you forget to water plants every single time, Pothos is your soulmate. Plant number 2, Snake Plant. The snake plant is the plant that literally produces oxygen at night. While other plants sleep, the snake plant works, purifying your air and releasing fresh oxygen into your bedroom. This plant has tall, architectural green and yellow striped leaves that scream modern design. It can survive weeks without water and actually prefers to be forgotten. Place it anywhere in your living room, even in dim corners, and watch it thrive. This is the ultimate low-maintenance plant for busy people. Plant number 3, Monstera Deliciosa. The Monstera Deliciosa is the Instagram plant that everyone wants. Those dramatic holes in the leaves are not damage. They are a natural feature called fenestrations. This tropical beauty grows large and creates an instant focal point in your living room. Place it in bright, indirect light and water when the soil dries. As it matures, it develops aerial roots that look wild and jungle-like. One Monstera can transform an empty corner into a tropical paradise in months. Plant number 4, Spider Plant. Here is the shocking truth about spider plants. They create baby plants on runners, which means you can propagate unlimited free plants from one mother plant. This plant has been a living room staple for 50 years because it is basically impossible to kill. It produces long, arching leaves and adapts to almost any light condition. Spider plants remove xylene and formaldehyde from your air, making them serious air-purifying powerhouses. Start with one spider plant and soon you will have dozens. Plant number 5, Rubber Plant. The rubber plant is the bold statement maker with glossy, leather-like leaves in deep green. This plant can grow 6 feet tall indoors, creating a dramatic focal point that screams luxury. It loves bright, indirect light and prefers to dry out between waterings. The leaves are thick and stunning, and they collect dust beautifully. One rubber plant instantly makes your living room look more sophisticated and intentionally designed. If you want people to notice your plant game, this is it. Plant number 6, Peace Lily. The peace lily is the plant that tells you when it is thirsty. When it needs water, it droops dramatically, and the moment you water it, it perks back up within hours. This elegant plant features dark green leaves and produces stunning white flowers throughout the year. Peace lilies thrive in low to medium light, making them perfect for apartments without many windows. They are champions at removing ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde from your air. This plant literally communicates with you about its needs. Plant number 7, Boston Fern. The Boston Fern brings tropical jungle vibes to your living room with its feathery, delicate fronds. This plant prefers humidity and moderate to bright light. Mist it regularly or place it in your bathroom for natural moisture. The Boston Fern creates a soft, calming atmosphere that instantly makes your space feel like a resort. While it needs slightly more attention than some plants, Its lush appearance is absolutely worth it. Plant number 8, Dracaena. Dracaena plants come in multiple varieties with stunning leaf patterns in cream, yellow, red, and green combinations. These plants are incredibly easy to care for and adapt to various light conditions. They actually prefer drying out between waterings, so underwatering is better than overwatering. Dracaenas are powerful air purifiers that remove formaldehyde and other toxins. With so many varieties available, you can find one that matches your exact aesthetic preference. Plant number 9, Philodendron. The philodendron is similar to pothos, but offers climbing and trailing varieties for different placement options. These plants feature heart-shaped leaves and are incredibly forgiving with care. Philodendrons can survive in low light but prefer bright, indirect light. You can train them to climb a moss pole for vertical gardens, or let them cascade from hanging baskets. They remove toxins from your air and adapt to your lifestyle perfectly. Plant number 10, Fiddle leaf fig. The fiddle leaf fig is the plant that everyone recognizes. Those massive, violin-shaped leaves in deep green are Instagram gold. This plant makes a serious statement and can grow 6 to 10 feet tall indoors. It prefers bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. While it requires slightly more attention than other plants, the dramatic appearance justifies every bit of care. One fiddle leaf fig transforms your entire living room aesthetic. Plant number 11, Calathea. The calathea is the exotic dancer of plants with intricately patterned leaves in pink, purple, white, and green. The shocking part: the leaves fold up at night and open during the day, creating movement and life in your space. Calatheas prefer humidity and bright, indirect light. They are better for experienced plant parents, but absolutely worth the effort. Your living room will feel like a botanical garden. Plant number 12, ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is the modern, sleek option with waxy, dark green leaflets that look contemporary and clean. This plant is nearly indestructible and can go weeks without water. It adapts to any light condition, from dim corners to bright windows. The ZZ plant purifies air effectively while looking minimalist and sophisticated. If you have a modern interior design, this plant is absolutely essential. Plant number 13, Pothos Enjoy. The Pothos Enjoy combines easy pothos care with striking white and green variegated foliage. This plant gets more vibrant coloring in bright, indirect light. It can trail from baskets or climb moss poles. The variegated leaves create visual interest while requiring zero extra effort compared to regular pothos. Plant number 14, Neon Pothos. Finally, the neon pothos features vibrant lime green leaves that instantly brighten any room. This plant brings color and energy while maintaining the easy care of standard pothos. Its neon coloring pops more in brighter light. This is your answer for adding color without high-maintenance care. There you have it. 14 plants that will transform your living room, purify your air, and boost your mental health. Start with the easy ones like pothos or snake plant if you are a beginner, then level up as you gain experience. These plants are not just beautiful, they are investments in your health and happiness. Drop a comment telling me which plant you are adding to your living room first. Like this video, subscribe for more plant content, and we will see you in the next one.